Hello everybody, it's Engineer Isaiah Tube again with another eBay product review, which I bought on eBay for quite a lot of money, of course. A lot of money. This is a really cool, valuable toy that I've been wanting to get for quite a long time. As a matter of fact, I ordered 2 items on eBay, and both packages arrived in the mail. The other package arrived on Friday, May 13th, 2022. It's this one package here, but I'm not opening that one. But I'm not opening this one today. I'm gonna open this package today. Now, I'm pretty sure. As a matter of fact, I think I know what this is. Yes. I think this is supposed to be a musical. Thomas the Tank Engine toy, Thomas and Friends toy, which features Thomas the Tank Engine and this troublesome truck, and it's made by Tomy. This package was shipped from Florida, and this package here was shipped from Massachusetts. So this package here arrived on Friday, May 13th, 2022. This one arrived on Saturday, May 14th, 2022. This is supposed to be a classic Tomy Thomas and Friends toy that's still brand new in the original box. They wanted $120 for this item with free shipping. But I offered them for them $90, and they accepted the offer. So I only paid $90 for this valuable item on eBay. This is a great item. I've been looking forward to opening this package for a couple of days now. So now I'm gonna put the phone down and get this package opened. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this opened. Here we go. Okay, oh. What's that box? That's fun. Oh my goodness, how ugly is this? What's that box? It is. Oh my goodness. What's that thing? Oh my goodness. I do not believe this. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! Well, here it is. Here it is, folks. The classic 2004 Tomy Thomas and Friends musical Thomas. This is a pretty cool classic Thomas and Friends toy from the 2000s. I gotta admit that this has got to be one of the greatest classic Thomas and Friends toys I have seen in my entire life. This is really neat. Oh, and the part where I was cheering, right as I was cheering, I ran out of storage, so I had to delete some videos I didn't need anymore. Now I should have enough room to talk about this item. Wait, this is extremely awesome, guys. This has got to be one of the greatest Thomas and Friends toys I have ever received in my entire life. I gotta admit, I really love this toy. Of this toy. This is the classic Tomy 2004 Thomas and Friends musical Thomas. It features a highly detailed, large Thomas the Tank Engine and a troublesome truck. Thomas the Tank Engine plays music when you put EDs inside his fire box here. Your box here. And the troublesome truck and the troublesome truck right behind Thomas carries their CDs. This is a pretty cool classic Thomas and Friends toy I've been wanting to get for my collection and for quite a long time. And I mean literally, guys, this is extremely cool. This toy even has adjustable volume. I think that basically means there's a button that you can press to turn up the volume if you want to hear the music as loud as you can. So it's made by Tomy, and it's for ages 18 months and up. It requires 3 E-size batteries, which are not included. And it not only comes with Thomas the Tank Engine and a troublesome truck, but also some CDs right here. That's pretty much all it comes with. So, did y'all guys used to have this toy? This toy when you were a kid? Did you? Or do y'all guys still have this toy today? In your toy box with all your other toys? I do unboxing videos. It was like these. I do videos like this mainly for history. So yeah, did y'all guys used to have this toy when you were a kid, or do y'all guys still have this toy today? Or do you wish you had a toy like this? And a truck. And if we take a look at the back of the box, I'll show you some more. Footage. So, according to what the box says, it says here that troublesome truck holds and hauls 4 discs can be detached from Thomas. That means Thomas the Tank Engine can be played with or without the troublesome truck. It also says to open the cover on Thomas's top. Big and chunky discs are easy for little fingers to hold and load. Volume control is located underneath Thomas. That means if you want to turn up the volume on Thomas the Tank Engine, all you have to do is flip Thomas over and turn up the volume from underneath his boiler. Step 3: press Thomas's funnel and the fun begins. Thomas the Tank Engine play is 8 special great songs, or Thomas's whistle, or Thomas's whistle blows when no disc is located. Loaded. If you put a CD inside Thomas's cab, he'll play random songs that you hear coming from the CD. But if you press a smokestack and without a CD inside, he blows his whistle. And like also what the box said, this really cool toy play is these 8 fun and instrumental songs, meaning that there are no lyrics. If you're happy, being you know it, for he's a jolly good fellow, I've been working on the railroad, she'll be coming around on the mountain, Thomas's theme song, London Bridge is falling down, this is the way we load our freight, and merrily we roll along. Thomas chugs along with or without the troublesome truck, a disc holder. That means the freight car that rides behind Thomas the Tank Engine is more than a freight car. It's a disc holder. The top, the bottom. Oh, side front and the side back. It even has an adjustable driving wheel and an easy on and off switch. I think this is supposed to be some sort of steering wheel that helps Thomas steer along the ground when he. I do figure this is, I bet this is a motorized Tom's the Tank Engine too, not just a musical toy. Oh, I don't really know exactly where this item came from. Because there's no tag to show me what store it came from, too. Was this available at Toys R Us or Target or Walmart or something like that, or Ross or TJ Maxx or something like that? This is a great valuable item, and I'm going to be keeping the box as a collector's item forever. I don't really plan on opening this toy because this musical Thomas the Tank Engine here has got to be one of the rarest classic Thomas and Friends toys in the entire world. That is why I really don't exactly plan on opening it. Now, to wrap up this video, I just want to say this: if you're pretty interested in purchasing this musical purchasing in the Tomy Thomas and Friends 2004 for musical Thomas is the Tank Engine toy, or yourself or for your collection of valuable items. This is a valuable item that can probably be found at an antique store, a garage sale, or even a thrift store. I'm telling you guys, I highly recommend you buy this item on eBay. Because if you will buy this item on eBay, you will have a perfect chance of finding this valuable item brand new in the original box. Place a bid or buy it. Buy it now. All you have to do is save your money, and you'll be able to get it for your collection. So I hope y'all guys enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all guys next time for more product reviews. I still have another package waiting to be opened, which I'll open later on today. Goodbye. Oh, wait. I forgot to mention one more thing. And remember, folks, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Goodbye, folks. See you later. Bye.